One fine morning, Karan woke up with a loud noise. He came out of his house to see what is it. Oh, it's raining. He took his umbrella. He put on his raincoat. He put on his gumshoes, his boots, and he came out of the house to see. Oh, it's raining. He looked up at the sky, at the beautiful rainbow. It's so colorful. Let me go into the garden. He went to the garden there and he saw a peacock dancing there. Wow, it's so lovely. See the peacock dancing. It's so beautiful. This is a corn. I like to eat corn. And that's the pear. I love pear. They're so yummy, delicious, rainy season fruits. What is this noise I can hear? Let me see. A frog. A frog. The frog loves rain. It is enjoying the rain. It's so nice having a walk in the rainy season. It has started raining heavenly. Let me go to the house. Mama has prepared some delicious tasty snacks for me.